still feeling a bit sleepy, so we called it Listify. Yeah, let's not forget the application name. So mix phs.new. So phs.new, the tax phs.new couldn't be found. Um, oops. Okay. Okay, so we're installing the phs.new. So let's try that command again. Yeah, so yep. Yeah, so we didn't do that the last time we did our system setup. Okay. So this is how we start up a new Elixir project. I think we have gone through this the last time when we were doing the URL short now, so I won't go into trying to explain what command we run. Just know we are trying to create a Phoenix Elixir project, so we had to install phs.new. And so when we're working with Phoenix, you might be hearing mix dips, mix get, a lot of mix, yeah, a lot of mix command. No, we are not mixing. Do not, no, we're not doing mixing. It's just mix is the command line for Phoenix. So you're gonna see mix deps.get, mix ecto.create, creating the database, mix ecto.migrate, migrating the migration of the database. So you're gonna hear, but you're not gonna hear mix elixir forge. No. Yeah. So it's still running. Why is running? Let's just dangle our head on trying to understand. Well, yeah, let's try to understand what we want to achieve. Why it's still running? So we're just gonna do a little bit of research work why that is still working. So you can see creating a CRUD application. Elixir. So it's learning, we are learning every day. So all is just a learning tutorial. So we have this guy that's getting started with Phoenix and Elixir. So we're just gonna dive our head and say, oh, okay, what are other people saying about building a CRUD application and everything. So this is 8 years ago. So we're gonna just stop with this ones. So brew is for, yeah, brew is for Mac. So we're using a bigger version than this Miss local.hex. We say like this is the command we run there to install Phoenix framework. Yeah, so let's take note of this command in case if you haven't done Phoenix before. Maybe you have worked a lot with Elixir but you haven't used Phoenix liveview. Please take hold of this command. Thank you. Bible. So they are creating a Bible project. Okay. So mix deps.get is to install the dependency. Mix ecto.set creates your database and everything. See the assets, yarn install. So they are sitting into asset and installing. So we would use npm install. So yeah, you see this is what we need. So you see Miss Jen, we separate the code inside module. So the persons will be a module containing our CRUD code. So persons now. So this is how we'll have item, then this is item here is the module. This is going to be the context file, and this over here is going to be the schema. Yeah, this is going to be the schema name. So description and string. We're going to use string for our own description and this, and we're not going to use text. So they use resources. There's person that controller. We ain't using resources. So Just gonna have a little bit of modification, but we get it. So this is still running. Conclusion. They put on their repository there. Learn more. Thank you guys. Thank you webhostbase.com for giving us this insight. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so most times Elixir works with Postgres. That doesn't mean you cannot use another database, doesn't mean you cannot use SQL, doesn't mean you can't use a Megabyte or something. But the way Elixir is being structured, Postgres is one of the easiest database to use on Elixir. Please take notes. So they call it the function. Okay, sorry. We're gonna see what we're gonna collaborate. So they give me misgen.html. So this one comes misgen.html creates the view, the live view, the controller, the template, and everything. But I think we would want to do the template ourselves. So we're just gonna use misgen. So we're just gonna use mixgen, but we just do misgen. We'll not to the we do misgen.schema. We won't do misgen.html because we don't want it to create everything for us. So there's a bit of similarity, but we're not going through that route yet because we don't want everything to be created to us. We want to learn. We want to learn. So everything could be created for us, the schema file and everything. That would be easy, right? That would be so sweet. Just some few corrections. Yeah, that looks like a nice route to go through. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe the next time I want to create a database, we'll just say misgen.html. It's set up and we'll compare it. So you see, this is Ecto. So you see, so we're gonna be doing repo. So this is repo.get, repo.update, inserting, querying. We're gonna be doing a lot of this. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's see it's still running. Yeah, it just takes sometimes, especially if the network is not strong and everything. So what we want to do is like it's actually created the Listify for us, but it's not done. I don't advise this. So created the Listify for us. So instead of mix Ecto.create or mix Ecto.verify, my grace we just do mix Ecto.setup, then he does everything for us, creating the database and everything. Even running the tailwind. Yeah, so we're going to use tailwind for our styling. Yeah, we're not starting from scratch. No, we're not starting from scratch. Okay. So if you see it's compiling our project. I think this network is so It's not so strong today. I don't know. It's not looking strong, right? So we are able to do this. Yeah. So we want to create the migration file. We're able to even create the database. So we created the database when we were starting the project. So we integrate the link CSS. So this has been done, so we can like what I'm writing it down was that you write it down and we research on other food of application in Elixir. So you just have to learn to research. Like everything you're looking for is over there. Yeah, everything you're looking for is over there. Maybe there's gonna be a little bit of cliche, a little bit of changes, but it's there. It's there. You just have to find it. Everything is over there. You just gotta find it. You know. So migration is already up. I don't want to open it. It looked like I'm so hasty to start this project, right? I'm like this every time it comes to coding. Yeah, let's get it working. Let's get it working. Like, why is it slow? Why is it slow? Why is it really, really slow? Why is it slow? Why is it slow? Okay, so we have opened it up. This is not nice, actually. This rigid thinking is not nice. You know? Okay, so I just want to work everything and I might just leave everything running in the background. But I don't want to make this video long. So I told you we're not doing the HTML aspect. So we're not setting anything from scratch. So this is our user or model. Then the table name is users, and what we want is a name, which is a string. I think we want do we want your email? Do we want your email? Okay, let's just put email. String. I'm like, do we really want your email? Like, I don't really think we want your email. Just give you a simple form. You put your name and your email sounds good. So I'll just tell you to enter your name. Okay. So it told us to update to our repository. So we're gonna do mix to migrate. So every time you create a migration file, oh, we didn't even like show you the structure of this file, right? It's not nice. So let's be like doing a lot of things underground, and we ain't seeing anything. Yeah, so sorry for that. I don't even know. I haven't started the project. It's good. I trust. So I have the CSS payment. In the app.css, you see our payment configuration. We have app.js where we import the socket from Phoenix. This is where all the setup takes place. So we now have the lib. This is the web. This is the web part of it, and this is the application part of it. So you see Listify.telemetry repo. Set to the repo bench. So the start of the application. This is the mailer we are using. So this is the repo. Linux is using Progress and all that. So this is the user field giving us, you see the field we put the email, the name, and the timestamp. So it did a change set for us. Validation required both the name and the email. So coming to the web part of it. So we have this layout. we have this root, Listify, and we have this controller. So in our page controller, we have this home page, and we have the error.html. So this is where your error, then we have page.html, then we have router. So you see the router is just routing to the controller. So we want to use live dashboard. So today we might do our folder structure and everything. So you guys might be thinking, what is she doing under the? I'm just unlocking my phone. This is still running. So I'm just gonna do something now. So should I call it grocery? Should I call it grocery? What do you guys think? Should I call it grocery? Should I say grocery? I want to say something. So I say call it grocery. So I wanted to create a context file for me when it comes to the grocery. Actually, it's supposed to create a context file for me. Wait. I guess I have to really want to create my context file for the user now. Okay, so context grocery. Groceries. Okay, so this is the table name. Then we have name dot strange quantity. So I think we should give the quantity an integer. Should be an integer. What else do we want? If you look at grocery, let's just look up a grocery list. What makes up a grocery list? So it's supposed to have a category, right? So we're supposed to do a category that let's just so it has like a category that now have like items. So I think we should start with okay, so let me just go to my function. I want to have a category. Okay, so let's just now put, yeah, so let's, sorry, I'm like a bit confused at that point in time, so let's do something again. So this is the table name. So this is the context file. This is where the schema code will be written. This is the, yeah, that's the table name. So it's just gonna have a name of strange. So it created it for us. So let's see what it created. Okay, so it created, yeah. So it created a category for us. And it has this. So this is what we want to create in the user that we're not able to create. So I don't know, should we delete the user and create it again like this? I'm thinking we should delete the user. What do you guys think? Let's give it a shot. Let's delete the user. Okay, so we just need to make sure we delete that migration file. So I want the user now to have a migration and everything. So we have a user now. Okay, so we have it now. Okay, so it just created it for, because you saw the user table before. So let's now do groceries, name, string, description, string, quantity, that's integer. Then Ah, so we have created the migration file, we have created the, so if you see, we just did one command and we created both the schema migration. That's the cool thing about Elixir. Just create everything for you. Okay, users does not exist. Okay. So let's see something. I think it's because it's okay. So I now have to table something I did not write. So I think we'll okay. Okay, so we have all our migration file. Everything is okay. So let's see. So we're going to come and make some changes. So we have been able to clear up what we said today. Sure, that has been done. Yeah, with the help of our friend ChatGPT. And so let's see as it has gone. So the next time we meet, we'll arrange the folder structure. Okay, let's just do it live now. So when we meet next time, we'll start doing the implementation. We might just do this thing, but we're not really. Next time we meet, we'll just. So next time when we meet, we're going to set up this and create a repository